I'm just cutting out some circles ready for a class tomorrow, and I'm just using the circle out of one of the circles out of the Stylish Shape dies. So that's a nice set with lots of shapes and things. So I've measured the cardstock to 7 centimeters. I think that was right. Let me just double check that. 7.5. So to put this die, so the die actually cuts out to fit on the card like this. So it fits quite nicely onto 3 across on an A4 sheet because it's 21 centimeters. So we'll just pop that on there, and you can do these ones on your Mini Stampin Emboss Machine. So just line it up very carefully. If you need to, use a bit of washi tape or a sticky note, but I tend to just pop it on there like that. And then very carefully place it down. Just make sure all the sides are covered by your dot, and make sure that top up here, see how I've got it, that's not right. You want that to be sticking over the end a little bit like that, otherwise it doesn't grab it properly. And just put that through our little Mini, and then once you've got it going, just roll it through. And then when you've finished, just take off the top one, take off your die, take off the outside circle, and if that's not coming away easily, don't pick at it like that, just bend your plate a tiny bit. See how that popped up then? And it just pops up so you can grab it off. And that way you don't damage any of your edges. Happy crafting. Ciao.